In this video, I'm going to show you how to use filters on YouTube Shorts. So in order for us to get this done, what we're going to do is basically just tap the plus sign down here, and we're going to go ahead and try to take a look at the image we want to capture. Say for example, this one right here. You can go ahead and tap the plus sign right here, and then you can choose the filters here at the side. So the moment you do that, you should be able to see here different filters. So this is the pop, so it's just trying to pop the color here. And yeah, we have soft and so many others to choose from down here. So I want you to go ahead and choose which one you think fits best with regards to the mood that you are capturing. Another thing that you can do is try to use the slider down here. For example, I'm using this one, this oldie, and I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the slider in order for me to basically lower the effect. That you can also go ahead and max it just like so. So again, go ahead and try to use this one in order to adjust. Yeah, from this point forward, if you are satisfied, say for example, I'm going to use the first one right here, the pop. I just want to pop the color just like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap the done button right there, and then I can go ahead and try to capture using that filter. So yep, once you're done, just go ahead and stop this one, and then you can go ahead and upload this, add sound, and basically do whatever you want from this point forward. So again, everybody, that is how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.